Hi folks, yuck yuck yuck, it's time for the Trader Tress Creamy Parmesan Pot Pie taste testing. Oh yeah, throw a little Alfredo in there, let's give it a try. Let's do our review. I heard a lot of good things about this stuff. Woo, it's hot. Came right out of the oven. Woo, creamy. You gobble up this 800 calories and 2 ice cream cones after. Had to do a little pit stop before I went to the casino. Win them money for the penny slots. Got a little appetite. Gotta do a review. We sit down with some Coca-Cola. Yeah, it's good stuff, yeah. A country buffet. Here we come. Have a little snack before the country buffet. Yeah. We got a high hairdo. Oh yeah, the high hairdo. All right, folks, I'll see you later. I'll give it a big thumbs up. Bye.